Welcome to the walkthrough of custom landing pages by MageNative Mobile App Builder. Earlier we discussed theme settings and mobile app navigation. Now, let's dive into the App Studio and explore how to create custom pages for enhanced user engagement in your mobile app. Begin by accessing the App Studio from your dashboard. Select Custom Pages from the menu options. Step 3. Discover a variety of custom page options including beauty, home decor, electronics, and fashion. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a live preview of your mobile app. Make edits by simply clicking on the Edit button. Explore multiple options such as Category Slider, where you can customize the layout and upload images. Move on to the Upload section. Here, adjust corner radius and select image ranges using convenient sliders. Don't forget to upload images with recommended sizes of 250 by 250 pixels. In the Layout section, adjust category shapes, enable or disable category titles, and borders to suit your preferences. Choose from layout options like rectangle, square, or circle, and remember to click Save once you're satisfied. Additional options include standalone banners, spacers, product sliders, announcement bars, and collection grid layouts. Now, let's navigate to the navigation settings. In the top navigation, select the desired tab range, between 2 to 10 tabs. Choose the tab title, such as Fashion, and assign the corresponding custom page. Repeat this process for other tabs as needed. Once configured, click Save to apply your changes. Use the slider to adjust tab range according to your preference. If you have chosen multiple languages on Shopify store, then you can also localize your app by selecting from a range of languages selected. With custom pages and navigation settings, you have the tools to create dynamic, engaging experiences for your users. Start crafting your masterpiece today.